Okay. Now, class, we go to some concepts on computation and also on your formula. Okay. First task is to determine or to compute for the expected date of confinement. Okay. EDC, or this is now called as your EDD, expected date of delivery. So kung mabdos ka, kanus aman ka manganak. Okay? So the question is, kung mabdos ka ron, kanus aday ka manganak. So mayon ka, manganak kog mga karong December kuan, mo na pasabot sa EDD. The expected nga date of your delivery. EDC or EDD, expected date of confinement, and your expected date of delivery. How do you compute? Number one, you simply, ako ning formula class, wala ni sa libro. You simply count back 3 months and you add 7 days. Example, you first ask for the last menstrual period, but it must be the first day of the last menstrual period. Let's say, akong katapusan nga regla was last September 3, kutob siya pag 7. Mao ni akong last nga menstrual period. Okay. You count back 3 months, June, July, August. So August, July, and June. Count back 3 months man kuno class. August, July, and June. So manganak siya inig June. Unsa may akong gamiton class? 3 or 7? It must be 3. The first day of the last menstrual period. Okay? Ayaw kasayo pa. Ang gamito ni mga basis for the EDC recon from the LMP must be the first day of the last menstrual period. So in this case, September 3 atong gamiton. So manganak ka, kung katapusan ni mong regla class, September 3 to 7, pasabot ana, manganak ka inig June 3 plus 10. 3 plus 7. So June 10. Manganak ka inig June 10 next year. You simply count back 3 months and you add 7 days. Okay? So example, akong last menstrual period was December 5 until 10. Mao nang akong katapusan nga regla. So kanus aman ako ang expected date of delivery. Count back 3 months. So November, October, September. So September 5 plus 7, September 12 ko manganak next year. Okay? Wow. Let's say, akong last menstrual period was February 25, February 25. No, February 25. So akong buhaton class, count back 3 months. January, December, November. November 25 plus 7. Pila man na? November 25 plus 7. November 32. Unya, there are only 30 days in November man. So ang 30 kutob na ako'y sobra duha ka adlaw. So manganak di ay ko December 2. Okay? I-carry over siya to the next month. I am the author of this formula. Counting back 3 months and adding 7 days. Sa libro lahi siya class. Minus 3 plus 7 plus 1. Na siya formula dito. But I don't want you to use that kay maglibog. Akong gusto is para diretso, atras tulo ka buwan, pun-e og 7 ka adlaw. Okay? So another example. Let's say March 30. Okay? March 30. So count back February, January, December. December 37. Yeah, there are only 31 days in December man. So sobra ka og 6 days. So manganak di ka January 6. That's how you compute for the LMP. Number 2, single coitus. Kung kanus ka nakig-sex, ada nimo 9 months. Kung kainomdom ka, nakig-sex ko gahapon, ang mga anak ka 9 months gikan gahapon, that's your single coitus. Ang date of quickening class, what is quickening? Quickening refers to the fetal movement. Okay. What is quickening? It refers to the fetal movement or katong patid sa bata, no? As the baby moves and the mother feels it, you call it as quickening. So the date of quickening or the date that the fetus moves and the mother felt it, you call that quickening. Kung kanus ato na feel ni mama, pila siya ka weeks, na feel niya, nilihok tong bata nako pag 18 weeks. So ada nimo siya 22. Nilihok ang bata nako pag 16 weeks. O ada nimo siya 24 mao nang imuhang expected date of delivery. Kano sa ta mo adog 22 kung primigravid. Kano sa ta mo adog 24 kung multigravid. So kay balo na mos meaning sa primigravid o sa multigravid. Moingon kani kag primigravid pirmirong pagmabdos. Multigravid kadaghan na mabdos. Okay? So mo add 22. Let's have this case. Sige. Si Kim Chu kay mabdos and she felt the baby move, mabdos for the first time. Okay? And she felt the baby move at 19 weeks AOG. 19 weeks AOG. What is the EDD using the date of quickening? Sige. Unsa may atong gamiton? Is it 22 or 24? In this case, first time man, pregnant for the first time. So 19 nilihok ang bata plus 22, ang mga anak siya inig 41 weeks. That's your expected date of confinement. So be careful whether the woman is multigravid or primigravid. Another way of computing for your EDC is through ultrasound. But we only rely, okay? We only rely on the report of the ultrasound if the ultrasound was taken in the first trimester. Okay? In the first trimester. Kadaghan man gud ng ultrasound buhaton during pregnancy, especially kung nakay mga vaginal bleeding or gamay ang tubo sa imong bata, so tan-awon gyud na siyang placental flow, tan-awon na siya sa ultrasound. So kada ultrasound class naa na siya report dito telling you when is the date of delivery. Okay? Now, here is an ultrasound report on the first trimester, na ultrasound report sa second trimester, naapot sa third trimester. Ingon ang first trimester nga mga anak kag January 1. Ingon ang second trimester, mga anak sa second trimester nga ultrasound report, mga anak kag January 10. Ningon ang third trimester report, mga anak kag February 1. So as a nurse, which of the three ultrasound reports will you rely on? Is it the first, the second, or the third one? You must rely on the first ultrasound report. Okay? Kay ultrasound reports giving information as to when is the date of delivery or the date of confinement, no, will only be relied upon if it was taken in the first trimester. Okay, next. How do we compute for the AOG? Kanina class, EDC, no, expected date of delivery. Kanus ang mga anak. Kani, ang atoa is pila ka buwan kang mabdos. Okay? Natay mabdos ron. Do we have a pregnant student here now? If it's okay, do we have?
Wala.
Naatay primigravid or multigravid or multiparous? Sige lang, it's okay. Do we have multiparous women here? Wala. Wala.
Wala, sir.
Wala. Sige, wala man. Nindot tatog natin ay actual and live nga pasyente ba? Kay ato siyang i-compute, no? So kung kanus ang mga naklas, katong ultrasound, single coitus, date of quickening, o katong minus 3 plus 7 days. Kato to maoy EDD, EDC. Karon is, pila man kakabuhan mabdos day? Okay? That's the question. Kato ganina is, kanus aday ka mga anak? Okay? Answerable by any of the four. Kato ganina. Pero kung pangutan-on di ka, pila day kakabuhan mabdos? Okay? So by that, we use two rules. Number one is Bartholomew's rule, and the second one is McDonald's rule. Duha. Bartholomew's rule and your McDonald's rule. Nindot class kung live pataron kay tudluan ta mo unsaon pag-count using the calendar method. But lisod man gud diri kay wala man dili man ako ma-illustrate sa inyo ha ang pag-skip counting using the calendar. But anyway, so man sad to siya sa libro. Sige na lang, no? Pero in the area, that is what doctors use and that is what I use also. Okay? Kanang mag-ihapta sa kalendar kung pila ka kasimana. Mano-mano, manual. Kani siya class, Bartholomew's rule and McDonald's rule na ana sa inyong libro. How do we perform it? Okay? Number one, Bartholomew's rule. This refers to the use of body landmarks in order to determine the age of gestation. We use body landmarks in order to determine the age of gestation. Nigawas na sa niya sa board exam class. Ang question class is, what if karon inyong board exam? Ang pangutana is, what is the age of gestation if the fundic level is found midway between the symphysis pubis and the umbilicus? So, lipayas ako mga estudyante ni chat yun pagka gabi na, sir, nigawas tong imuhang kuan, sir, what if, sir? Sir, nigawas tong foramen ovale, thank you kayo, sir. Naagid class. Karon, ang question was, what is the age of gestation if the fundic level is found midway between the umbilicus and symphysis pubis? The answer, class, is 4 months. Giunsa man na siya, class. Using your Bartholomew's rule, class, we use the body landmarks. Okay? Pila pa ta ka minutes, class? 21 na pa 20. We use body landmarks. So, kani. Okay, mabdos ni siya, class, ha. Maning vagina niya. Okay. Karon, class, if the fundic level, kay ba mo kung say fundos? Be, mga tana ko no be. Kinsay fundos? Sige, save lang kay recorded ra ba. Kay numdamos fundos, class, layers of the uterus, fundus, corpus, cervix. So ang ulo sa matris, mao na siya fundos. Okay? So kung ang ulo sa matris is found in the symphysis pubis, kani dire, dapit dool sa inyong kuan, class, mons pubis, mons veneris. Diha. If it is found in the level of the symphysis pubis, then 3 months pregnant ka. No, 12. So 3. Kani, class, pusod, umbilicus. If the fundic level is found at the umbilical level, 5 months na siya, class. Okay? Now, ang question ganina, what is the age of gestation if the fundic level is found midway between the umbilicus and symphysis pubis? So mo tong atong tubag 4. Kay tunga siya sa symphysis o sa umbilicus. Pagka sa yun na regis board exam na question. Now, and every 1 finger breadth, class, okay? Every 1 finger breadth, then you will have 1 month pod nga increase. So inig 6 months mosaka na ka. Inig 7 months mosaka na ka. Inig 8 months mosaka na ka. Unsa naman ni siya diri sa 8 months? At 8 months, class, this is already your xiphoid process. Kuto-kuto. Nandiri ninyo. Xiphoid process. Okay? So the highest fundic height level is on the xiphoid process. Inig 8 months. Ang pangutana, asa man siya, inig 9 months. Kung pasaka siya, class. Inig 9 months, class, munaog na po na siya, class. Okay? Inig 8 nimo diri na ka. Inig 9 months nimo manaog na pug ka, diri na ka. So you will be 9 months here. In such a way that your 9-month fundic level and your 7-month fundic level is on the same level. Kadungog naman siguro mo anang ilang gingon no, nga kung makuhaan kag 7 months, mas mabuhi ang bata kaysa makuhaan ka ag 9 months. Actually, dili na tinuod. The higher the age of gestation, the more chances of survival. Okay? The higher the age of gestation, the higher the chances of survival. Siguro, ako ang pangagpas, class, is this has a basis using the Bartholomew's rule. Parihas manggod o gidakon sa tiyan, no? Or fundic level ang imuhang 9 months o 7 months. So tingali, ingon sila, buhi ng bata kay 9 months, patay ng bata kay 7 months siya nakuha. Actually, dito ra siguro na sa confusion sa imong fundic level kay ang fundic level nimo sa 7 o sa 9, class, parihas man. Okay? So pangutanon gani mo, if the fundic level is found at the level of the xiphoid process, unsa man na siya? Pila man ka months pregnant? So your answer should be 8 months. Okay? If it's found 1 finger breadth below the xiphoid process, pila man na siya? So it's either 7 months or 9 months. Nga naman, 7 months and 9 months are at the same level because pag 7 months, musaka siya to 8, niya from 8, munaog siya to 9. The drop from 8, no, xiphoid process to 1 finger breadth below, kaning pagnaog niya, class, that is what we call as lightening. Okay? We call that as lightening. Lightening, or otherwise called as your baby drop. Okay? Bartholomew's rule, or the use of the body landmarks. Unsa maning McDonald's rule? McDonald's rule will only apply if the woman is 20 to 30 weeks pregnant. Okay? The McDonald's rule will only apply if the woman is 20 to 30 weeks pregnant, such that your fundic height in terms of centimeters, cm class ha, ang fundic height ni mama in terms of cm is equivalent to the age of gestation in terms of weeks. Okay? So unsaon na pagsukod? So gikan ka sa imong symphysis pubis class. Ang starting point, asa ang starting point? Sa symphysis pubis. Starting point, SP, symphysis pubis. Kunya imo nang sukdon padung asa ang imuhang fundic height. Asa imuhang funda level. So imo na siyang sukdon class, ana no. So kani dire mao ni siya ang imuhang symphysis pubis. Imo sa nang isubay sa tiyan, pinaana sa nimo. So kung pila na siya ka centimeter class, mao sa nang imong age of gestation in terms of weeks. So let's say the nurse was performing a McDonald's assessment over a woman who is 25 weeks pregnant. Pwede dili? Pwede, kay sulod man siya 20 to 30. Upon assessment, from the symphysis pubis, the tape measure reached 27 centimeters. 27 centimeters, gikan sa symphysis pubis padung sa fundic height. Okay? So 27 centimeters. Using the McDonald's rule, pila imong AOG? Then the AOG is also 27 weeks. So kung pilay sukod, mao sa itong imuhang age of gestation. The fundic height in terms of centimeters is also the age of gestation in terms of weeks. That's your McDonald's rule. Okay? Then we have your Leopold's maneuver. Okay? Leopold's maneuver, I want you to remember that when we perform Leopold's maneuver, okay, I'll make this a topic for the next recording lang kasi kay murag kuwangan ra pud ang time. So let me end there and we will continue with Leopold's